MS7 is a minimalist apartment in Madrid, Spain, located on the fourth floor of a listed building in Madrid's Chamberí district. The refurbishment of the entire 250 square meter apartment was carried out by Madrid-based Febrero Studio. The refurbishment work began with the removal of all internal elements, leaving only the load-bearing walls intact. This approach provided a clean slate to meet the requirements of the new project. The architects skillfully combined the new layout with the existing openings in these solid walls and the house's important damp-proof core to create an ambitious new apartment layout comprising 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a dressing room, a kitchen, a living room with dining area, a second living room and a kitchenette. A notable feature of the interior redesign is the placement of the kitchen. The kitchen is centrally located, not only as a culinary hub, but also as a passageway that serves as a transitional element between the public area consisting of a dressing room and a living/dining area and private areas of the home, which comprises spacious 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a second living room and a kitchenette. This multifaceted consideration enhances the fluidity and functionality of the living space. All of the building's original paneling and wooden windows have been retained and restored, ensuring that the original essence and character of the house is preserved. The interior design uses a limited number of fine materials: walnut, oak inlay, and travertine in a restrained way, with the inclusion of metal elements that give the nostalgic style a contemporary feel. The materials and furnishings chosen for the interiors aim to modernize the space without losing its essence and character.